Welcome back to Project Chief. It's day 67 and
painting and priming.
Priming and painting.
Priming walls, painting ceilings. So it's going to be as fun to watch as putting mud on the walls. So watch it.
Here's the time lapse.
But first, subscribe to our YouTube channel.
Also like this video.
Leave a comment if you are a professional painter and you think, man, you should do insert thing here.
Go ahead. Yep. We know you painters have an opinion.
Yeah, you do. If you think Andy holds a paintbrush like a monkey, put it down in the comment section below.
Also, sometimes I don't paint in the most linear fashion. It's called being artistic.
Oh, held it in. So now you'll enjoy a time lapse.
Also, ring the bell for notifications.
Yes.
And share with your mother, because once again, wholesome content.
Wholesome content. Now, there's a time lapse of us painting things white.
Oh, you're still here.
Hey, thanks for sticking around.
Well, since you stuck around, John's got just a tip for you.
If you feel like you've hired someone to do a project, like put carpet in, and it feels kind of shady, or you don't really think they're going to be doing a good job, or they're not very clear on what they're doing, get a second opinion. Because you might end up meeting some good people, saving some money.
So if you couldn't tell, that was the exact situation we're dealing with. We ordered some carpet from Lowe's, and
they subcontract out to other people that you really don't know who they are or the quality work they do. And sometimes they really aren't good at communicating or maybe their jobs. We don't know yet. But luckily, we stopped it before they even made it into the building. And we found a great company over Nixa, Floors Plus.
And guys that own it are Rob and Hunter. They are a father-son team, so get a hold of one of those guys and they'll get you squared away, whether you're doing the job or you want them to do the job. They got you covered.
Yep, link down in the description to their website, just so you know exactly who we're talking about, because they apparently have a store in Springfield too.
So you can check them out at either place. Other than that, it was a good experience so far, and we'll show you what the carpet looks like once it's done. There's something there.